Somali music industry doesn't make a lot of money. That's why you will probably never see a Somali musician owning a Lamborghini or let's say lives in a mansion. That doesn't mean that Somali musicians don't make money. Yes, they do make money, but not the same as other big musicians. But there is one person in this list that owns maybe a Lamborghini and is worth millions of dollars. Today's video, we are going to look at the 10 richest Somali singers from all over the world. Please keep in mind that this data is based on estimation.
Monkey.
So you're probably wondering right now, how am I going to analyze this list? How am I going to rank them? There is only two ways in which we can rank these musicians. I'm going to take their data from YouTube and try to analyze how much views they get from their songs, how much views did their most viewed video get. So there are other principles that will guide me through this video. How many times do they perform in concerts and shows? Each artist, I'm going to check their most viewed video on YouTube, and that will definitely give me an idea of how much money they can make. However, these YouTubers might be having business out of YouTube. So without further ado, let's get started. So yeah, that's for today's guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel if you want. And yeah, that's for today's guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.